Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on my home. My home is a happy and safe place for my family and me. It has a living room, bedrooms, a kitchen and a small garden. My favorite place at home is my room where I play and study. Our living room has a cozy sofa where we watch TV together. The kitchen smells nice when my mom or dad cooks delicious food. We have a small garden with flowers and plants that I water every day. My home is decorated with pictures, toys, and colorful curtains. It is clean and tidy because everyone helps keep it nice. I feel happy and relaxed when I am at home. I love my home because it is filled with love and laughter. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.